And turning now to Storm Watch 12, meteorologist Josh Colbert. This morning, it looks like we're looking at another active weather day as far as Siskiyou County. What does the pink mean? What do people need to prepare for today?
The pink means that there's a winter storm warning in place again for Siskiyou County, so you got to prepare for more snow, especially in elevations above 3,000 feet, especially down towards Mount Shasta City. As when this is all said and done, we could have snow totals up in the feet range, maybe 1 foot to 1.5 feet. We also have winter weather advisories in place for the Cascades and Siskiyous, for the Klamath Basin, for the Great Basin, and for most of Siskiyou County. This runs from 10 a.m. today to 10 p.m. this evening. So lots of wintry impacts all throughout the day. We're already seeing that for this morning. You can see all this moisture getting streamed in from the south up towards the north. So Mount Shasta City is in that hot zone, or in that cold zone, if you will, for seeing all of the accumulating snow. And of course, that's why we have the winter storm warning in place. So let me show you how all of this will shake out a little bit later in the day with Stormcast. You can see just more snow coming in from the south, still impacting southern and eastern Siskiyou County. Eventually, the core of the storm system will actually move into the east side. So we're expecting some pretty bulky snowfall totals over on the east side as well. So this is by the time we get to midnight, still dealing with snow for Siskiyou County, Klamath, Lake County, into Modoc County as well. But as we get into Wednesday morning, not only does the snow clear out of here, a lot of the clouds will clear out of here as well. And the rest of the day on Wednesday is actually looking fairly nice, albeit a little bit on the cooler side. We're still going to get some beneficial rainfall from this system, albeit a little bit less than what we've seen in days past. Still, it's going to be the Mount Shasta City area that's going to be the winner. The loser is definitely going to be the coast and the Rogue Valley. How many times do you see the coast being on the low end of the spectrum when it comes to rainfall totals? Not very often. Snow levels are going to get up to about 4,000 feet for today, a little bit higher than what they were for yesterday, but not by much. And then they'll fall back down to around 2,500 feet overnight. But by then, most of the snow will be confined to Siskiyou County into portions of the east side. So remember, yesterday I said there were two maxima when it came to the snowfall, down in Siskiyou County and up in the Cascades. Well, today it's a little bit more spread out. For the east side, especially along the Warner Mountain chains and then down into southern Siskiyou County. And we could still get some more substantial snowfall totals up in the Cascades, especially towards Lake of the Woods, 6 to 8 inches there. But I think we're starting to get on the back end of this storm system. But travel impacts, they're still definitely going to be there for today, as we're already seeing that down towards Blackview Pass, Snowman Summit, snow-packed roads. But roadways will improve as we get into Wednesday, and then eventually I think we should be back to normal for Thursday and Friday. So for today, more rain and snow. We'll have some breezy conditions, winds gusting out of, well, kind of all over the place with the storm system swirling around, but anywhere between 25 to 35 miles per hour. And then overnight, more rain and snow, but drying out into Wednesday and Thursday. Here's your 7-day forecast for the coast. Not really dealing with the thunder today like we were for yesterday. Then we have some very pleasant days ahead of us for Wednesday and Thursday. For Siskiyou County, more rain and snow looking likely for today, especially in those elevations above 3,000 feet for snow, that is, and especially down towards Mount Shasta City. Over on the east side, we could have maybe 1 to 3 inches falling in addition to what's already on the ground for Klamath Falls and for Lakeview. We're going to get more snow on Oregon 140. Of course, more snow up towards the Diamond Lake Junction and up towards Crater Lake. And remember, there's already chain requirements in place for Diamond Lake Junction. And then for the Rogue Valley, I think it's just showers today, maybe some snow mixing in up towards Ashland. And then we will get a little bit of sunshine for Wednesday and Thursday.